Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pressing home on your SkyQ remote to open the main menu. This puts you where Settings live. Once done, navigate to Settings and choose Accessibility or Audio and Subtitles. Labels vary by software version. Make sure the remote is paired and the TV is on the correct HDMI input so the box responds. You're starting the process now. Follow the visible options. This early step gets you into the right configuration area, so you can enable and customize subtitles next. You now toggle subtitles or closed captions to on. This is the core action that makes text appear. Then, make sure to pick your preferred language and adjust size, color, and background for readability. Larger size helps in bright rooms. If available, set whether changes apply to live TV, on demand, or everywhere so you don't repeat steps. Once you've customized appearance, exit back to the program to confirm the overlay looks correct and remains legible across different content. Finish by watching a live show or replay to confirm subtitles display correctly. Look for timing sync and positioning. If they don't appear, restart the SkyQ box and try again, because a reboot often resolves temporary software glitches. Make sure software is up to date. If issues persist, note your box model and software version before contacting support so they can diagnose faster. One key tip: test with multiple channels and on-demand items to isolate whether the problem is content-specific versus system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.